This week, we had to pull our team together for one heck of a rush order. But before we get into the rush order specifics, let's talk about deckling. A deckle is traditionally a rough, torn edge along handmade paper, but in our case, we create the deckle by tearing prints using an acrylic template. This jagged edge creates a rustic, handmade look. These prints are then mounted and framed. Here's where our whole team comes in. A fast approaching deadline meant we needed to gather the troops and make this order happen. With over a dozen hands deckling and even more framing, this massive order was successfully fulfilled for our client. Although no one wants to experience a rush order, we're always ready. We hope you enjoyed this Deckling Detour. Thank you for looking, and remember to be limitless. Love, Frameworks.